In this project, you will teach to learn by creating an instructional tutorial. Ancient philosophers and modern educators have long known that one of the best ways to learn something is to teach it to someone else. Research into this protege effect has shown that when we're asked to explain what we've learned, rather than simply memorizing, recognizing, or repeating it, we work harder to understand the material, recall it more accurately, and apply it more effectively. Additional research into teachable agents has demonstrated that students are highly motivated when playing the role of teacher, even when that role is played virtually rather than in person. Students exposed to a teachable agent study the material more conscientiously, are more likely to organize their knowledge, spend more time going over the material, and learn it more thoroughly than students who do not have the opportunity to interact with a teachable agent. This teaching in the context of learning also provides a comparably safe opportunity for students to identify confusions and gaps in their own thinking, and to receive the kind of feedback that further enhances their learning. Questions from peers, instructors, and other teachable agents compel students to think and explain the material in different ways. In this project, you will teach to learn by creating an instructional tutorial. The goal is to create new content and to translate information into your own words, sharing what you learn with others. You will have the chance to create a recorded or interactive tutorial, solidify new content knowledge, and move beyond remembering and toward abundant opportunities to apply, analyze, evaluate, and produce work that offers deeper learning. The videos in this playlist provide you with some ideas and inspiration for recorded tutorials. The link in the description provides you with additional models of interactive tutorials.